Taurus, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do your love reading for the week where we dive into your person's feelings, your feelings about your person, a connection card, and clarifiers if we need to. Please note these are collective readings, so they will not resonate with everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you know somebody that could benefit from this reading, please share it with them. Also, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so you can keep up to date with our readings coming in the future. Also, check out some of our older readings if this doesn't resonate with you today. There might be something with those readings because they are timeless. So whenever you find them, they are for you. Now that we got that out the way, let's jump into your reading. Okay, your person's energy is going to be the Seven of Swords. We'll clarify that. The Two of Cups in reverse. We'll clarify that. And then the High Priestess in reverse. We'll clarify that. Let's see, 3 cards for your energy. All right, 3 cards for Taurus's energy. What do we got, spirits? Let us know what's going on with them today. Oh, maybe we're not going to get anything for you. Oh, there we go. All right. Your energy out the gate is going to be the King of Swords, the Ace of Wands, and then the Two of Wands. So sit down on your throne in some awesome energy, looking for communication, looking for the Ace of Wands, a new beginning to get things moving. And the Two of Wands here is a decision on which path you need to go. So we'll look into that deeper. Let's get your connection card. Connection card for Taurus and their person. All right, your connection part is going to be Queen of Swords for this reading. So let's do some clarification here. All right, let's look at the Seven of Swords. What is that about? So we're going to clarify that with the Ten of Wands. Let's clarify the Two of Cups in reverse. And that's going to be with the Knight of Cups. Let's clarify the High Priestess in reverse. Clarify the High Priestess in reverse. And that is going to be with the King of Swords. All right. Now, last card we're going to clarify is going to be the Two of Wands. And then we should be good to start this reading. All right. And then we have the Devil energy. All right. So let's take a deep dive into what's going on over here with your person and their energy. Right? Okay. Their energy with the Seven of Swords is basically saying, I'm doing something that I don't want to have to explain. This doesn't mean they're always like cheating, but this could be them avoiding accountability, withholding the full truth, or trying to control the situation. Next, we have the Two of Cups in reverse. There's an emotional imbalance when this card is in the reverse. So one person is trying and the other is doing like the bare minimum. Like it's a misalignment, broken trust. There needs to be balance here. All right. And then we have the High Priestess in reverse. And, okay. Intuition is blocked. Secrets are being hid. Someone's acting clueless. Like, I feel like Taurus, this person doesn't know what they really have going on. And with that being said, your person possibly could be, let's see what all we have out here on the table. A Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Cancer, a Pisces, possibly Scorpio, a Capricorn. This could be their sun, moon, Venus, and rising sign, or it could be somebody with these placements in their charts. Okay. Let's get into the clarifications with your person here. All right. So with the Seven of Swords, with the Ten of Wands here, this is the energy that we have. This is like with the Ten of Swords, this is like a betrayal energy, ending. Like I'm done. Like you put enough swords in my back where I'm not doing this. It's damage, and they feel like this connection isn't emotionally safe, right? So that might be a reason why they've been hiding secrets, keeping to themselves, not giving the full truth, things of that nature, because it's possible that they could be trying to get out of this cycle. Then next we have the Two of Cups in reverse with the Knight of Cups. Um, I feel like they're just telling you whatever you want to hear, but not really meaning it. This isn't genuine. This is not it's not genuine. I feel like this person is doing a lot of love bombing, but they're not really trying to put any effort or energy into this relationship because they feel like they need to walk away from it. Then we have the High Priestess in reverse, and we're going to clarify that with the King of Swords. Okay. They're trying to cut off communication. Like, I think this person that you're with is done with the relationship and they're trying to move away from it. Um, it's going to be probably a painful ending because when I come over and look at your energy here, right? You have the King of Swords. It's like you're not begging, you're not chasing, but you also have the Two of Wands over here, which kind of puts me in the energy of you're trying to make a decision about this relationship. The Ace of Wands means that you are definitely trying to glow up. You're trying to get yourself together. You're looking at your passions, your truth, and you're like, okay, maybe I can walk away from this relationship. But then you have the Two of Wands here, and you're trying to look at the big picture. Like you're trying to determine whether you should stay or if you should go. And you're kind of having a hard time making that decision because you have the devil energy here. Okay, so the problem with the devil energy here when you trying to make a decision with this person is because this person could either be like the relationship could start off as an obsession. You currently could be entwined with this person where the energy is very passionate, but it's very toxic. There's a lot of temptation here. This relationship looks like it's created more with trauma bonds than it is an actual healthy relationship. And I feel like it's got you stuck in the place where you're determining whether or not you're going to make a decision to keep this going or to walk away from it. But it looks like your person has already decided that they probably want to steer away from this relationship. If they haven't already started sending you signals, you should start seeing them soon. All right. Then the connection card between you two is the Queen of Swords. And with the Queen of Swords, it's you gave it a good go. Everybody tried to come together to make this work, but the Queen of Swords is basically saying, I'm setting boundaries. I have self respect. I'm not going to do this nonsense anymore. Okay, not the best reading that I want to give for you today, Taurus, but it's basically your person is hiding, avoiding feelings. The connection feels so off and it's been so cloudy. You're starting to become a little bit more clear on what's going on. You're starting to choose yourself. And right now you're in a position of whether you're going to make a decision to stay in this relationship and try to work it out or you're going to walk away from it. So, all right, besties, comment clarity if you're done pretending and you see that this is coming to an end. And hopefully the videos coming up will bring us better clarity and maybe better news. Maybe we'll start looking at a new person. If this reading did not resonate with you, but you know somebody that it would resonate with, send this video to them, share it with them. If it didn't resonate with you personally, there's also other videos that you can find in our Taurus collection for the year that may resonate with you because they are a timeless video. So whenever they find you, they find you. And again, if I didn't say this, Taurus, you could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Cancer, Pisces, Capricorn, or Scorpio. Somebody with these placements in their chart or their sun, moon, rising, or Venus signs. So until the next video, we'll catch you later.